Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by reducing tension slowly. Turn the peg until the D string is slack. Once limp, unwind a few turns on the headstock and use pliers only if necessary. Next, free the knot at the tie block. Push the string through the bridge hole while supporting the soundboard. Make sure not to pull hard across the saddle to avoid chipping. After removal, wipe the nut and saddle groove. This ensures the new string seats cleanly and won't bind. You thread the new D through the bridge and form a stable knot, 2 half hitches or a classical double tie, so the string won't slip. Once secured, guide the string over the saddle and into the nut slot. Make sure it sits centered and not pinched. Bring the end to the tuning peg and leave enough slack for 2-3 wraps. As you wind, keep tension with your free hand so coils lay neat and downward on the peg, which produces reliable tuning stability. You tune the new D up toward pitch in small steps. Once near, deliberately bring it slightly sharp and then settle back to the correct note so the string beds in. After initial tuning, gently pull the string along its length several times and retune. This removes slack and reduces slipping. Once stable, trim excess at the peg and tuck the tail neatly. If the string keeps slipping or buzzes, recheck the knot and seating at the nut and saddle. Retie or seat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.